Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So today I'm going to show us how I made this delicious cake with just 3 ingredients. You can see how the cake is looking delicious, and it's actually delicious when I ate it. So if you want to see how I made this cake with just 3 ingredients, keep watching. So the ingredient I used in making it is I used egg. I used about 4 eggs, then a quarter cup of sugar, and then 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. Those are the ingredients I used in making it. So the first thing I did was to go ahead and coat the pan I will use to bake the cake. Coat it so that after baking, when you want to remove the cake, it will be very easy to to bring the cake out. I went ahead to break the egg. I separated the egg white from the egg yolk. I separated the egg white from the egg yolk. So you can see the egg white and the egg yolk. So I pour in the egg white and then go ahead and mix it. I'm using my mixer to mix it. So after I've mixed it for some time, I went ahead to add the sugar gradually and then continue mixing it. And then I went ahead to add the egg yolk and then mix all together. So I have both my egg white, sugar and egg yolk inside now. So after that, I went ahead to sieve the flour into the egg and sugar mixture that I mixed. So after that, I use my spatula to turn the mixture together. Make sure you turn it properly so that everything will be incorporated into each other. Then I bring back the pan I coated earlier. I pour in a bit of flour inside and then shake it. This is actually optional. So the next thing I did was to go ahead and pour in the mixture. After pouring the mixture, then I went ahead to bake. But before that, I heat it so that to remove any air bubbles. Make sure you heat it to remove any air bubbles. So as you can see, this is the knob to my gas oven. This is for the down part, down burner, and this is for the upper burner. So this is the highest. This is the highest and this is the lowest. So as you can see, it does not have the dual option, which is whereby the up burner and the down burner will be on at the same time. So what I did is just to reduce, as in turn it like this here. Now it's going to, I will preheat the oven for like 5 minutes here, for like 5 minutes. Then after that, I'll just turn it here and then put in my cake and then allow it to bake for 20 to 30 minutes and I'm done. So that is that. So as you can see, our cake is ready. Our cake is ready. You can see how our cake is looking. It was so delicious. Just 3 ingredients. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like and share with your friends. Till I come your way next time with another interesting video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.